Hey guys, and in this video we're going to try and get to the end of Build a Boat for Treasure. I haven't played this game in a while, so I played it with my brother the other day, but other than that I haven't played it for like, I don't know, a couple years. It's insane. Okay, what should we start off with? Should we make a floor? We don't need to make it big, do we? We just go 1, maybe we go 9, like that. Maybe. Okay, and then we put these heavy blocks at the front. It should work. And then we could start building up the walls, I'm guessing. But let's first get this again and just do another line round so I can build some walls up. So like that, like this, like that, like that, like that, like that. Okay, and then we're gonna build up the walls. So we might just go like that. And then maybe on there we put some cannons. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. And then we need a button, and then we'll put the button here, maybe. So now what if I click this? Ooh, okay, that's good. Alright, now we gotta build a steering wheel. I don't know how to connect this steering wheel. Do you need a steering wheel, or does the chair just connect to this thing? And then if I place that there, if I jump in, oh, it doesn't work. It doesn't matter though. Wait, maybe if I do put the switch, would that work? Yeah, the switch works. Wait, so maybe this is the chair I need? Yeah, okay, this is the chair I need. Now it works, okay. So now I guess we're just gonna build the walls. What should we use for the sides? I think this is a good one. For the second layer. Can I still say? Yeah. Oh my days, this looks so bad. Okay. Right. I think we go like... and then we build it round like that. And then... Sorry, that was my phone. And then we just go like that. And we build it. I could never be a boat engineer, guys. And we just go one, another couple round. And then I could build this up like that. build this one up like that, and then build some of these across like that. Oh my days, this is looking like a mess, but it's good so far. And then I think I'll boost that up another one and just build like a little arch around it. Okay, this is looking really bad. I think we need to build, how many blocks do I have? Oh, I think we're just gonna do another bit of protection along the sides, like so. Build in, nah, those metal blocks will do a lot, and then just build like a straight line across here, so this monstrosity doesn't get destroyed straight away. And then we just build like that, and then we could, now I think this is good, you know. Wait, let's add some torches for the outside. Because then it makes it look scary. And then we could add some balloons. We could add a balloon. And the switch does the balloon. And we'll add some more protection on the back using glass, which I don't know why I'm doing, but you know. Let's go. I have these wood blocks. Okay, okay, I think we should. Alright, let's launch it. Meow. Meow. Oh. Look how cool the torches looks. Right. Meow. Oh, I just cannonballed myself. Come on, right, meow. Right, let's try and dodge all these rocks. Meow. Vroom, vroom. Okay. Oh, we dodged all the rocks first. Okay, get past these. Okay, we haven't taken any damage yet, which is good. And then through. And through. Let's go. Okay. Oh no, there's massive rocks here. Go backwards. No. Oh my days. I'm not. Oh my day, I can't drive. What is this? Meow. Oh my, what is going on? Oh, run. No. Oh my god, no. Go, quickly. Quickly. Oh my gosh. Bro, lightning just struck us. Okay, get through here. Now. Okay, okay. One of my cannons got destroyed and my head came off, but... Oh my god, we got kunais. What is going on? There's kunais being thrown. Oh my days. There's kunais being thrown from everywhere. What is going on? We're only halfway there and our boat is completely destroyed. Let's get the balloon. No, my balloons are destroyed. All of my cannons are destroyed. Oh, we might. This might be the end, guys. What are those? Oh my days, we're gonna die. Go, go, go. 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 go through it sideways because our front is about to... No. Oh my days. Oh my days. No. What? Okay, come on, we can go. Why the aliens? I think we're just gonna have to go. No! Oh my god. Oh my days. No. No! Oh, we got to the alien bit. That's good. Oh, we got 56. Let's open some of our chests. Or we can open a legendary chest. Ooh. Oh, I got loads of more bricks. Yo. Let's actually go. Let's build another. Should we build another one or? Yeah, let's build another one. I have 29 glass bricks now. And 65 of these metal bricks, which is goated. What is this? Is this a jet? Let's see what this is. What is it? Maybe it needs a switch. Maybe it needs a switch instead. Oh, I don't know what it does. Okay. We got an anchor. We got like a grappling hook. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. And then with these metal ones we build. Wait, no, and then we get these 2 pillars. 1, 2, and then we build these things across that pillar. Like that, and then we probably do a 2 layer, and then these ones slightly forward. Come on, okay. And then we just build it around the side, and we go X. This is looking good so far, you know. Right. Oh wait, there's a gap here. Then we need 3, don't we? And then we go like that. All of my boats look terrible. Oh my days. And then I think we come out like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we go 1, 2, 3. So basically, what happens is if it gets hit, these blocks get hit first. Okay. And then this rock stuff, we're gonna build another. Like that. And build up and up like this. And then we need this again, because that was useful last time. Oh wait, no, that one. Well, it was quite useful, to be honest. Yeah, that's on. And then, should we use the cannons again? Or should we use like a grappling? We have 7 cannons, guys. Right, we go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. Yo, these cannons are all crazy. So if I press F, holy moly. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is good. And then, we have 11 balloons. With these balloons, we'll also, we'll put a button here. And then the 11 balloons around like this. Right, we need to delete some of these. So if I have 11, I think we're going to put 5 on each side. So if we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, we need it to be connected to the button and not the chair. What do we need? Right, and then how about we get rid of the button and put that in the middle. And then do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So then if that happens, wait, what happened? Oh, they just pop straight away. Now I've removed that cannon from the back, I can now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then now they shouldn't pop. Oh. Are there too many? Yeah, well, let's just launch it and see how this one does, because like if we get far with this, that's just crazy. Imagine you're just trying to play this game and you see this boat. That would just be crazy. Okay. Goodbye, rock. Oh, that rock just got obliterated. Wait, no, it didn't. How did all 7 cannons not even break a single rock? No. Oh. I nearly just blew myself up. Huh. There's nothing. What happened here? Nothing in here. Oh my, oh. Maybe, oh. Maybe it was just I don't know. Am I lagging? It might be me. Or is there someone in front that's just taking off every single one? Or is there like someone in front that's just like taking off every single one? I don't know, or is it me? It might be me, you know? Oh wait, no, the bowling ball, oh no, oh my days, move! Oh my gosh, that thing's done severe damage. Oh my gosh. All of my cannons got destroyed, but at least my boat is still alive. We need to get past the alien bit. Come on. Oh. Okay, yeah, my internet's back on, I'm guessing. Oh my gosh. What are those? Come on, go. What are these things? Okay, go, 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 go. No, I'm just literally driving straight into the wall. What's going on? Go, 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 go. Hit the side first. If we had cannons, this rock wouldn't be here. Okay, this is the bit where we died last time. Oh, I forgot about how. Oh my! Why are we going backwards? Why are we going backwards? I can't drive anymore. What the helly? And I guess that's it for today, as we can't seem to get any more. I hope. Okay. I hope you enjoyed. Oh, how much gold? 56. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And I guess we'll see you in the next one. Peace out.